Welcome to Professional Grooming for Work. How to look your best every day at your job. Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm the employment specialist at Desert Haven Enterprises. I teach employment skills classes and I also help people find jobs out in the community. Today I'm here to talk about professional grooming no matter where it is that you work. What is grooming and why is it important? Everyday appearance for work and daily hygiene habits. What does grooming even mean? It means having a daily personal hygiene routine that keeps you neat, clean, and looking good every day. You have to do these daily habits every day to help maintain a fresh appearance at work every day. Did I say every day? Because I mean every day. The weekends, I don't care how you dress. I don't care how you dress to go to Walmart or do your grocery shopping. But when you go to work, you need to look clean and fresh every day. There's no slacking every day. Why is grooming important? Grooming is important for your self confidence and your self esteem. As you step out into the world every day and you go to your work, you want to look nice. Grooming plays a major role in keeping your self esteem and your self confidence up. You'll feel better on inside and out. When you look good, you feel good. Your employer and your customers might notice your poor grooming, but they won't say anything to you about it. They might talk behind your back, but they won't say anything to you. So it's important that you're clean and neat every day. And we're going to go over some tips for that. For everyday appearance at work. We're not talking about job interviews or special occasions. We're talking about everyday work days. You need to look clean and neat every day. Starting with your body, bathe and shower daily. Now, I know there's some of you that don't feel like you need to shower every day, and there is some personal judgment there. You don't have to shower every day, but if it's hot and sweaty, for sure you need to shower every day. You know your own body, and it may just be that you need to wash your hair every day, and you might do that in the shower. But generally speaking, most people bathe or shower every day. Use deodorant every day, all year round. In the summertime, maybe wear extra deodorant. Sometimes deodorant doesn't work very well in the hot summers, so make sure you have enough deodorant to last you all day. As far as tattoos and stuff go, check your dress code. Most employers are allowing tattoos that are visible. If your tattoos are somehow offensive, you're going to have to cover them up. Some jobs make you cover up all tattoos, so you're just going to have to check the dress code. For a job interview, I would definitely cover them up, but check the culture of your job, and if other people's tattoos are showing, then yours can too. Okay. Like I said, nothing offensive or violent. Your face, wash it daily. Use sunscreen if you work outdoors. It goes for your body as well. Use a sunscreen lotion because skin cancer is no fun and sunburns are no fun. So use sunscreen if you're working outside. Keep your nose hair and ear hair and eyebrows trimmed as necessary. Eyebrows are usually okay, maybe in the middle needs to be trimmed, but definitely no hair sticking out of your ears and no hair sticking out of your nose. They make a trimmer that costs $10 that you could stick up in there to shave away those extra hairs. We don't want any of that at work ever. Guys need to shave or trim their beards daily. Beards are fine at most jobs. There's definitely some jobs out there where you're not allowed to have a beard or mustache, but most jobs you can. But you can't just let your hair grow. It's not a vacation from shaving. Beards are a different kind of hairstyle for your face that require daily maintenance, where you trim your cheeks or trim your neck. It still requires daily maintenance, whether you're shaving all of it or just a little bit of it. Still requires daily maintenance of a beard. Ladies, wear makeup. Not too much makeup, but you want to put some effort into your appearance, even if it's just a little bit of mascara. If you dressed up nice for the job interview, they're going to expect that you look that nice every day. So don't fool them into thinking that you wear makeup every day if you wore makeup to your job interview and then you start rolling out of bed and showing up to work with no makeup on. Wear a little makeup. Show some pride in your appearance. It doesn't have to be a lot. It doesn't have to be full foundation, but maybe just some mascara and lipstick. Maybe just mascara, but make sure you look clean and neat and fresh. Okay? Your hands, keep them clean for many, many reasons. Wash your hands often throughout the day if you're touching things. Every job has rules about hand washing. Make sure that you're doing a good job of keeping your hands washed. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. Shouldn't be all dirty underneath, but keep them clean underneath. That's healthier as well. You don't want to have the germy dirt under your fingernails. If you work in food service, you are not allowed to wear fake nails or nail polish. And if you are allowed to wear nail polish at your job, make sure it's moderate colors and make sure that you can do your job right. Don't be going around with super long claws that you can't do your job right. And don't spend all of your paycheck on fingernails. Make sure they look nice, neat, and clean. Your teeth, brush or floss them every day, or floss once a day but brush twice a day. But brushing your teeth will help you avoid bad breath. It will help you avoid trips to the dentist. It will help you avoid the cost of the dentist. Dentist can be painful. You do need to go to the dentist regularly, just to get your teeth cleaned and make sure you don't have any cavities and stuff. Use breath mints and check your teeth after meals. You don't want to be surprised later when you have food in your teeth no one told you about. Make sure you check the mirror when you come out of the restroom at break time so that you can make sure you don't have food in your teeth. Smile all the time at work. It's part of your job to smile at your customers and your coworkers, so make sure your teeth look nice. If you are having a problem with bad breath and you can't figure out why, you're brushing your teeth, you're flossing your teeth, and you're still having bad breath and you don't know why, visit your dentist to find out. There might be something wrong that you need to get fixed. Your hair, wash and style your hair every day. Everybody has different hairstyles. Some hairstyles require more prep in the morning than other hairstyles. If your hair is taking you too long to get ready and you're having a problem with that, change your hairstyle. Okay. Visit your stylist often. Short haircuts require more trips to the barber or the hair salon. I just have to get these cut all the time, but the ends I don't have to get cut all the time. So I still have to go about once a month to keep my bangs looking okay. Do not roll out of bed and just put your hair in a ponytail and go to work. Don't do it. Spend a little time making sure you look nice every day for work. Get up earlier. Keep your hair neat and tidy always. If you're having a dandruff problem, buy medicated shampoo. Head and Shoulders isn't any more expensive than any other shampoo. Make sure that you're using good shampoo and maybe wash it more often, or ask your hairstylist for advice of how you can fix any flaky scalp that you might have. As far as your clothing goes at work, wear the uniform that you're supposed to wear. If that's street clothes, if that's a certain kind of street clothes, or maybe they've given you a shirt, then you wear what you're supposed to wear to work. Do your laundry often. Make sure the clothes you're wearing to work are clean and neat and smelling fresh. No wrinkles. Hang them up to prevent wrinkles. If you don't have laundry at home, ask for more uniforms or buy yourself more uniform shirts or work clothes that you can wear so that you can go longer without having to do laundry. While you're at work, keep your clothes clean as possible. If you have the option of wearing an apron, wear the apron to help keep your clothes clean. So you do not want to wear dirty clothes to work ever, ever, ever. Yes, I changed my clothes during this video. Check the dress code. When in doubt, the manual you're given when you first started the job has the rules for what you're supposed to be wearing to work. Ask your boss, ask your job coach, but check the dress code to make sure that you're wearing what you're supposed to be wearing. Your appearance really does matter at work. It matters to your employer, it matters to your customers every day. Every day. Poor appearance shows a lack of respect to your company and your coworkers. It's like you don't even care. Daily hygiene and grooming habits will come naturally to you once you've been doing them for a while. It might seem like, oh my gosh, this is taking forever. But no, you'll get quicker at it and you'll be able to get in and out of the door very quickly, 30 minutes or something of making sure that you look nice for work. When in doubt, ask a relative or a friend for their honest feedback about your grooming. And that's someone that's going to tell you the honest truth. Like, well, sometimes you have bad breath, or sometimes it's smelly a little bit when I'm sitting close to you. So take that advice and do something about it. There's lots of people that won't tell you if you have poor grooming. All right, here's some outfits that you can help me decide whether or not they're appropriate for work. How's this guy looking? Yes or no? His hair is messy. His tie's not tied right. He's got pit stains, and everyone behind him are holding their noses like that. I do not think this is appropriate for work. He's got a shirt and tie, but it doesn't help if he's all sweaty and gross. This is a lady's shirt, probably like a manager might wear. It is way too wrinkled for work. She needs to iron that shirt. If you do not want to iron, get clothes that don't need to be ironed, but hang them up when you get them out of the dryer so they stay nice and neat. That's a good looking shirt right there. Look how crisp that looks. It almost looks fake, right? There's no wrinkles. It fits him well. He's wearing an undershirt. He's wearing a belt. This guy looks nice and ready to go to work. And he's probably going to get that shirt dirty. It happens, but you want to start the day clean, right? Every day. Clean smile. It's a nice clean smile. That girl brushes, probably, huh? Appearance and hygiene are important at all jobs. All jobs. All jobs have different kinds of dress codes and different kinds of work. So you're not going to wear the same thing to a restaurant that you might wear at a factory or you might wear in a hospital. Every job is going to have different dress code. If you get dirty on the job, you should start the day clean. I know I said that a minute ago. Even if you get dirty on the job, there are things you can do. There's aprons. You can be careful. Don't go out of your way to get your clothes all gross if you know that you're not going to be able to do laundry. No matter where you are working, nope, that's not what that says. No matter what you are wearing to work, make sure it's clean, neat, and not wrinkled. Again, it shows a lack of respect for your employer and your customers for you to show up to work like you just rolled out of bed, you watered up your clothes and shoved them in your backpack. Don't do that. Keep your clothes neat, clean, and not wrinkled. Follow the dress code at your job. It's in the manual. If you don't have a manual, ask around, look at what other people are wearing, ask the boss, try to dress nicer than everybody else. You want to be the example of a perfect employee. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. And thank you to Slides Mania. And I'll see you next week. Thank you.